Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this set of pendant lights for viewing purposes. So let's start taking everything out of the box. These are the rods for the lamps. It comes included with a pair of gloves, which I think it's really nice. And the proper main unit comes really well protected with lots of foam, which I think it's great. So it doesn't came any damage at all. Here they are, okay. This is a glass piece. I think it looks amazing. And this is the fixture for the glass and the ceiling fixture, okay? They have this really beautiful brushed metal design, and what I like about them is that you can adjust the height of them, selecting how many rods do you want to use, okay? Which I think it's great. So let's go ahead and start assembling them and let's see how they look and how they work, okay? Come on. Something that I find really nice about these ceiling lamps is that they are really easy to assemble. All the instructions are really clear, and you can select the height that you can set them up, which I think it's really useful. You can also place them on a slope ceiling, which I think it's great. And they're gonna do an amazing work where you wanna place them, okay? Okay guys, and as you can see, they're already installed and I think they look amazing. They have a really nice design. I like a lot the combination of the clear glass with the brushed metal finish. I think it looks really great and it gives a really fancy vibe, which I think it's excellent. And I placed these cold white light bulbs and I think they are really nice. As I've said, they give a really nice light, and overall I like them a lot. As you could see, they were easy to install and I would really recommend them. See you guys.